Amphenol Sine Systems A-Series family of heavy-duty multi-pin plastic and metal connectors and cable assemblies are a high-performance and cost-effective solution for all your demanding interconnect applications. The A-Series family includes a multitude of rectangular and circular connector options that can be used for signal, data, or power, with power contacts rated as high as 180 amps. The wide range of connectors are designed to be compatible with industry standards for easy integration. A-Series connectors are available with sealing up to IP69K and resistance to harsh fluids including lubricants, hydraulic fluid, and fossil fuels. They also offer multiple locking mechanisms and TPA features to ensure reliable contact in high shock and vibration. The connectors are offered with multiple colors, keying options, alignment features, feedback options, and other features to facilitate fast and correct assembly when multiple similar connectors are used. Boots, caps, and other accessories are also available.